distinguished colleagues, my brother Engineer Kenneth Eze, your budget is self-explanatory because everything is laid out. Just to support what Senator Jibrin has said, you have very great facilities to raise revenue. The Ministry of Information, Radio Nigeria, you can reach the nation. You can be the rich.
Yes.
NTA is number one.
Yes.
You know. So if government uses them and they don't pay them, sometimes we'll put advertorials on them. One minute, 60 seconds, you'll be paying about 2 million naira. So if they earn these monies and the way government uses them for their commercial, every announcement, all those things, they should be able to be funded to carry on. Then my observation on National Orientation Agency. National Orientation Agency is a very powerful agency in the Federal Ministry of Information. And government relies on this agency to reach to the grassroots, to mobilize citizens towards their civic responsibilities. I do not understand why their personnel cost should be 13 billion. Then overhead will be a paltry 619 million. 619 million naira is no provision, because it's expected that the National Orientation Agency will be mobile. Even their capital is just 7 billion. So it cannot cover the aggressive work they're expected to do in citizen mobilization to all programs of government, whether the New Hope or anything. The civic responsibility, the citizens should be properly educated and enlightened. And it's the duty of the National Orientation Agency. So their budget is too poor. They can, particularly now we're getting into the election season. National Orientation Agency has to mobilize citizens towards good conduct, how to comport themselves ahead of the election, how to shun thuggery and all those things. It's the duty of this agency. So this budget needs to be reviewed, Chairman. On National Orientation Agency, I so submit.